Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to add and manage voice assistant for your earbuds VIVO TWS 3E. You have to start by open VIVO Earphones application because we need to add this feature to the gesture. Because by default you cannot call voice assistant. So open the application, of course you need to add your earbuds to the app, then you will see them at the device list and you need to tap on them. Now scroll down just a bit, you need to find shortcut action and tap at this line. Now, you can add it only for the double press, so decide you wanna use the left or right earbud to call voice assistant. You can also use both of them, but I'm going to use only left one. So, tap on it, and then you need to select Wake Up Voice Assistant. Now, let's check it. So, the touch area is located at the back side, at the top right here we have it, so I need to double press, 1, 2, and as you can see I just wake up Google Assistant, but if you set up Gemini you will wake up Gemini, and that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!